Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can delete your Glassdoor account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to delete your Glassdoor account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Glassdoor app. So once you have tapped open your Glassdoor app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon. So once you tap on profile, you need to now tap on the account settings. So once you have done this as well, you can find the delete my Glassdoor account. Simply tap on it, and from there you will be redirected to this interface on your web browser. So there you need to tap on your profile and go to the settings option. So once you have tapped on settings, you will have the deactivate account option. So simply tap on it and tap on deactivate account. Once you do so, you will get a confirmation that your account has been deleted, and in this way you can simply delete your Glassdoor account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.